TO English, learning English with videos.
Hello friends, how are you?
Do you know the name of sea animals or marine animals? Let's go to the sea to learn the vocabulary of the animals in English. These are the fish. They are called fish in general. Some of the best known fish are hake, tuna, or salmon. The largest animals in the sea are the dolphin, which is a very intelligent animal, the whale, and be careful, watch out for the shark. Here is the octopus, which has 8 legs. There are other mollusks like cuttlefish and shrimp. Here's a crab. Watch out for its claws. It almost pricked me. And these are the sea turtle, the seahorse, and the starfish. In the coldest areas at the poles, we can find seals and penguins. Well, these are the best known marine animals. Let's go over them. Fish, dolphin, whale, shark, octopus, cuttlefish, shrimp, crab, sea turtle, seahorse, starfish, penguins, seals. Now you know the names of marine animals in English. If you want to know more vocabulary of animals, you can see other videos on the channel. See you soon!
TO English, learning English with videos.